started there, and then it led into the bedroom, and it didn't last very long, the whole entire procedure. It was disgusting.
I like the curries. Dwayne has a special diet. He's like a Ferrari.
Who are working hard at it and who are just barely getting by, or who are in a state of constant worry and pressure, that we can actually offer real change, the big two, traditionally of Irish politics, and bring them onto the ground of politics and delivery that suits regular, ordinary working people and not big vested interests. That's the challenge.
A few interesting months ahead, Mary Lou. We'll leave it there. Thank you very much for your time. Mary Lou McDonald, TD for Dublin Central and Uachtar on Sinn Féin. Coming up after the break, 3 out of 3 for the Irish provinces. Can they make it a clean sweep? We'll talk to Neil Tracy next.
On the record with Gavin.
I'm from the country. I'm from rural Ireland. And did I mention it was rural?
When does a quick chat become a great conversation? When you light the fire. Whatever you're doing, make the moment even warmer with the welcoming aroma of Borgnamona briquettes.
For a chance to win a Samsung A95G and Galaxy Buds, just answer this simple question. The Cat Laughs Comedy Festival takes place in which city? Is it Kilkenny or Galway? Text the word your answer name to us now on 53106 at a cost of...
I'm going to say I'm not getting a second series. I was like, yes.
Did you overcome the trauma of not getting a second series? But did you overcome the terrible trauma of being robbed twice? Away from his left hand. So
tell us what that means in layman's terms. A southpaw and a right hook.
A southpaw is going to lead with his right hand. Generally they're left-handed, so their power shot is their backhand, but they lead with their lead hand. So you need to stay away from his backhand, so you need to move to his right, your left. Stand tall, because Mike is he's not very tall.
He's
so
about the same height as me.
If you crouch down to his height, that's no good. You want to be standing tall.
Body shots to the head.
Sorry, how you feel about getting into the next round with Mike and Drew?
I am novice. I am very, very novice. I've got too much respect. I should just give up now.
Lose all respect now and get in and throw the shots. It's only 60.
To bother him, but I'm happy enough anyway. Actually, when I was coming in here, I read that very line. You were like, if my young lad was 40, then I'd be worried. Yeah, I'm saying I'll be robbing that from someone else.
That the night of the explosion, they were running a safety test. That's the kind of fact that any writer will stop and say, oh, okay, that is deeply ironic in the most disturbing of ways.
Why?
Well, if you're running